Good morning, class.
Good morning.
How are you doing today?
Good.
Good. So today we're going to learn about the 2D shapes. So first I have a question. What do you know about the 2D shapes? Well, let me tell you. What I want you to do is to draw any 2D shape that you know. If you know the name, write it down below the 2D shape. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and pass it. You have about 5 minutes. When you finish, you go ahead and come to the carpet and sit down quietly. Okay. Oh, that's good. Okay, it's time to come to the carpet. Thank you. Good. Okay, so 2D shapes. These are your 2D shapes. We have a circle. I want you to repeat after me. Circle,
Circle,
triangle,
triangle,
square,
square,
rectangle,
rectangle,
rhombus,
rhombus,
hexagon.
hexagon.
Good job. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce to you some of the vocabulary here. We have the word sides, we have the word vertices, and I'm going to show you what those words mean, okay? So we have here, let's go with a square. We have a square. Here, the square has 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Those lines are called sides. Okay? Now, this corner here, this one, and this one is where your lines meet. So, when two lines meet together, that's your vertex, okay? So how many vertices do we have in the square?
4.
Very good. 4 vertices. How many sides do we have?
4.
4 sides. Very good. Okay? Now, we're going to do the triangle. Let's count the lines or the sides. 1, 2, 3. How many sides do we have?
3.
So how many vertices do we have?
3.
3. Very good. 1, 2, and 3. How about the circle? How many sides do we have in the circle? 0. Why do you think the circle has 0 sides?
There is no side.
Yes, because it has no corners, right? It has no corners. It's round. So there's no sides, which means it has 0 sides. So how many vertices?
0.
0 vertices as well. Okay, how about the rectangle? How many sides do we have in the rectangle?
4.
4 sides. Very good. How many vertices? 4. Very good. Okay. Now, what is this called? Rhombus. How many sides do we have in the rhombus?
4.
4 sides. Very good. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And how many vertices do we have? 4 vertices. Now, the hexagon. Let's count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means that we have how many sides?
6.
6 sides. And how many vertices?
6.
6. Yes, we have 6 corners. Very good. Okay, so now that we're learning the 2D shapes, I want you to work in this activity. Let me explain to you what I'm going to do here. So, we have the shapes, the same 2D shapes that we have here. And we have the names on the side, okay? So I want you to work as partners. You can work in groups of 3, or in partners, okay? And I want you to pat out the shapes and the names and paste them on the construction paper, okay? You have about 20 minutes to do this activity. Here are the instructions in Spanish, okay? And here's a math dictionary with pictures on it, okay? You may use it. If you have any questions, raise your hand, okay? Okay, class?
And then here's math.
Let's see how are you doing here, Juliet?
If you can get like this.
Are you doing okay there, Stella? Very good. Okay, it's about time to move on to the next activity. turn your activities into your cabin, and we're going to move on to our next activity. Awesome, very good. So now, eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
Very good. Okay, so this is our next activity. This is our project. It's called To the Shape Man. Okay, so this is what is this shape called?
Triangle.
Triangle. And how many sides does a triangle have?
3.
3 sides. How many vertices?
3.
3. Good job. Okay, so I'm going to pass this around. You can pick any shape that you'd like to, okay? You pick your favorite, you pick any shape. So I'm gonna put them here on the table so you can pick yours. So these are gonna be your arms for the shape, man, and the legs, okay? If you need to cut it, if it's too long, then you can cut a little bit. It's okay. So you can glue your arms and your legs. So what I want you to do, you're gonna write also how many sides and how many vertices that your shape have, okay? Okay. You have about 20 minutes to complete this activity, this project. Okay. How are you doing? Are you done? Oh, very good. That's good. Okay. One, two, one. Very good. Well, this project is To the Shape Man. We're gonna hang them up on the wall so your parents can see them tomorrow. Okay. Okay, class, thank you very much. And it's time to line up quietly. We're going to, where are we going to?
Lunch.
To lunch. Very good. So line up quietly.